guys. Midterm Seatwork number 2. Annuity due, problem number 1. Okay. Find the difference between the sum of an annuity due and an ordinary annuity for the following data. Periodic payment is equal to 14,000. Payment interval 3 months, and then term 16 years, and then interest rate na compounded quarterly with 10% yung value. Okay, so first drawing tayo ng cash flow nung annuity due. So, meron tayong annuity due which is 0 and then until 16 years. So, may 3 months tayo na interval ng payment. So, kada isang taon, meron tayong 4 na beses. So, that means yung N natin is equal to 16 years times 4. Kasi quarterly. So, meron tayong 64 number of years. And then, interest rate na 10% compounded quarterly. So, divided by 4 is equal to 2.5%. Yan po yung gagamitin natin with annuity na 14,000. So, mauuna si annuity due which is i-base natin sa future value. Okay? Ang formula ni annuity due sa future value is equal to F is equal to A and then multiplied by 1 plus I raised to N plus 1 minus 1 divided by I, tapos minus A. So, lalagyan ko na lang ng subscript na AD para ibig sabihin yan, future value ng annuity due. So, substitute natin yung value ng A which is 14,000 times 1 plus interest rate na 2.5 meaning 0.025%, and then kung ilan yung payment, 64. So, 64 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 0.025 minus 14,000. So, meron tayong future value na 2,213,656.624. Okay? Next tayo sa may ordinary annuity. So, kailangan lang natin i-delete tong isang A. So, magkakaroon tayo ng cash flow na ganito. So, from 0 tapos end of period. So, yung time na to per 3 months hanggang 16 years din. So, parehas lang, which is designate natin na OA, ordinary annuity. So, ganito po yung cash flow. Yung formula niya, so lahat yan, yung A na yan, ipupunta natin dun sa future. Ganon din dito sa annuity due kanina, lahat ng A dito pinunta sa future. Okay, so formula ng future base annuity. Formula ng future base sa annuity. So, F OA is equal to A 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 divided by I. Okay, substitute lang natin yung value na 14,000 times 1 plus 0.025 raised to N. So, 64 na payment minus 1 divided by 0.025. Then, ayan, pag kinalculate natin yan, makukuha natin is 2,159,664.999. Okay, so ang sabi dito, difference. Okay, so meron tayong FAD minus FOA. So, absolute value yan. Kung napagbaliktad yun man yan, negative. So, yun yung difference. Okay lang. So, dahil dito, mas malaki si annuity due, siya yung unahin natin. Okay? So, meron tayong 2,213,656.624 minus 2,159,664.999. So, makakakuha tayo ng 53,991.625. So, eto na po yung answer natin. Okay? Hello guys, Seatwork number 2. The same topic, annuity due. Okay, find the difference between the sum of an annuity due and an ordinary annuity for the following data. So, same as problem number 1, nag-iba lang ng situation saka value. Okay? So, meron tayong annuity na 10,000. Meron tayong annuity 10,000. Then, number of payments. So, annually naman yan. And then, 20 years. Kaya 20. And then, yung interest rate natin is 12%. Okay? So, unahin natin yung value ng annuity due. So, formula ng annuity due. So, F, designate natin ng F, annuity due. So, yung cash flow niya, pares din yun sa kanina. Sa beginning of month, magbabayad na kaagad. And then, up until 20 na period. So, annuity due yan. And then, punta ulit natin sa future. So, future ng annuity due is equal to A 1 plus I raised to N plus 1 minus 1 divided by I. So, ayan po. Bracket natin. Then, minus A. Meron po tayong 10,000 times 1 plus 0.12 raised to N, to 20 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 0.12. And then, meron pa tayong A doon, minus 10,000. So, meron tayong value for annuity due is equal to 806,987.5 3,554. So, 355 na lang. And then, yung for ordinary annuity, yung cash flow natin, ganyan, magsisimula lang tayo sa first year. Hindi kagaya pag annuity due na bayad ka agad at the beginning. Ito at the end of period ka magbabayad. And then may corresponding future yan kapag ka dinala natin lahat to ng annuity sa future. Okay, so ang formula for ordinary annuity OA is equal to A1 plus I raised to n minus 1 divided by I. So, meron tayong value ng A which is 10,000 times 1 interest rate na 12% raised to 20 years period minus 1 divided by interest. So, interest rate na 12%. So, meron tayong makukuha na ordinary annuity based sa future na 720,524.424. Okay? And then, yung difference nila, so absolute value lang yan na FAD minus FOA. So, meron tayong FAD na 068,987.355 minus 720,524.424. So, makakaroon tayo ng difference na 86,462.931. Okay. Yan na po yung sagot. Okay? Hello guys, next problem natin sa Seatwork is yung deferred annuity. Okay? The maintenance cost of a newly acquired equipment is 40,000 per year for the first 5 years. 60,000 per year for the next 5 years. And the cost of overhaul at the end of 5th year and 8 years is 140,000. Find the equivalent uniform cost of the maintenance if money is worth 6% compounded annually. Okay? So, una nating i-drawing muna yung cash flow. Okay, may cash flow tayo na meron tayong cash flow. So, first year, the maintenance cost acquired equipment for the first 5 years. Meron tayong first 5 years. Okay, meron tayong first 5 years na 40,000. Then 60,000 per year for the next 5 years. So, magbabayad ulit ng 60,000 for the next 5 years. So, pasensya niya ta, mahirap mag-drawing dito ng straight line sa journal. So, meron tayong 60,000 dito. Note ko na lang 60,000 yung annuity ng next 5 years. And then Lagyan ko na lang ng year. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, tapos, and cost of overhaul at the end of 5th year. So, meron tayong overhaul dito na 140,000 pati sa 8th year. So, itong dalawa na to, 140,000 yung overhaul. And then, interest rate, money worth is 6%. So, annually. Okay? Ganyan. So, and then, find the equivalent uniform annual cost of maintenance if the worth 6%. So, ito yung equivalent na annual cost. So, parang i-convert mo siya sa A. Lahat yan hanggang 10th year. So, ganyan yung gagawin natin. So, ito yung si A. So, kailangan natin i-compare yung future dito. Dapat same sila sa future nito. So, ang formula dito sa itong right cash flow is equal to F annuity na 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 divided by I. So, ito po yung formula. And then, lahat po to na nangyari na payment or cost ng equipment, ipupunta natin sa future. Okay? Unahin natin si 40,000. Si 40,000, itong annual payment na to, si ordinary, hindi pwedeng diretso. So, mag-stop tayo hanggang dito sa 5th year. So, lalagyan ko ng designation na F1 para sa 40,000. So, yan, lalagay ko dito F1. And then, after ko mapunta dito, si F1, dadaan ulit siya dito hanggang makapunta sa future. So, designate natin to na F2. Or, pwedeng direct na, kasi, deferred. So, meron tayong direct formula ng deferred or annuity due, tapos meron tayong value, and then, ipunta mo ulit sa F2. So, ang gagawin ko, yung direct na formula na ng annuity due. So, F2, kasi ito, F2, is equal to A 1 plus I raised to M or N minus 1 divided by I, and then times 1 plus I raised to N. So, itong term na to, parang present worth, parang P. And then, ito, di ba, yung ordinary compound interest. So, ganun din siya. Okay, substitute natin yung A. So, 40,000, 1 plus interest rate na 6%. So, 0.06 raised to 5 years. Minus 1 divided by 0.06. And then times 1 plus the same, 0.06 raised to ilang years to. So, ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 years din. Kung nalilito ka dito sa formula, ganito na lang gawin mo. Ordinary annuity, lagay mo muna dito sa 5th, kung saan yung dulo ng annual payment. And then, itong F1 na to, ipunta mo ulit dito sa future. So, magiging dalawa. So, ganun din yan. Makukuha mo same value. At meron tayong 3, 0, 1,748.0793. Okay? Next tayo si F2, F3. Designate natin na F3 to. Si 140,000 dun sa 5th year. So, simple, compounded interest na formula. F3 is equal to 1 plus I raised to N. So, compounded interest rate na 0.06. And then yung P natin na 140,000. So, meron tayong value na 187,351.5809. So, okay lang, 3 decimal place class. Then, F4, ganun ulit, compounded interest din tayo. Yung F4 natin, ito, si 8 years. So, ilagay ulit natin sa future. So, F4 is equal to 140,000 times 1 plus 0.6 interest rate. Tapos, ilang years yon? 9th saka 10th. So, 2 years. That is equal to yung F4 na 157 point 0.3400. So yan si F4. So lastly, yung F5, ito yung 60,000 annuity. So ordinary annuity yan. Diba dito yung 0, tapos ito na yung 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 yung ano natin, yung term. So meron tayong annuity na formula 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 divided by I. So meron tayong annuity na 60,000 doon sa last 5 years. And then 1 plus 6%, the same interest rate raised to 5. Say 5 years. Yung last. And then minus 1 divided by interest rate na 0.06. F5, meron tayong value na 338,225.5776. So, ito lahat yan, convert natin sa F5. Then, ang mangyayari, ito, yung F is equal to F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5. So, yung F1 natin kanina dito. So, pwede rin, i-diretso nyo na lang. So, F1 to. And then, mag-a-adjustan na lang yung subscript. Okay? So, ang value nung F2, F3, F4, F5. Ito, yung mga pinagkukuha natin dyan. So, yan yung value nyan. So, pagka inad mo yan, meron tayong, so, sulat ko dito na sa taas. Yung F1 to F5, meron tayong summation na 984,629.2459. And then, equate natin to, diba? Yung F. So, meron tayong A, and then 1 plus I, so the same, 6%, 0.06, raised to N, so ilan yan? 10 years pa din, minus 1, divided by 0.06. So, isa na lang yung magiging variable natin, computin natin tong factor na to, i-divide natin dito. And then, may makukuha tayong equivalent uniform annual cost of maintenance na 74,701.81. Okay, so ayun na po yung sagot, class. Okay? Hello class. Last problem for Seatwork number 2 is problem 4. Deferred Annuity. Ito po yung problem. Find the present value of an annuity of 20,000 payable annually for 8 years. With the first payment at the end of 11 year. If money is worth 5% compounded annually. So, meron tayong 8 payment payable annually for 8 years. So, kada taon, mayroon tayong 20,000 na payment. With the first payment at the end of 11th year. So, yung unang bayad dun sa pang 11th year. So, pagka drenawin natin po yung cash flow, then 0 year, then hanggang sa 11th year. So, ito po yung una nating bayad sa 8 bayaran. So, meron tayong 8 payment. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ganyan po yung ano niya. Kaya deferred, di ba? Merong tayong annuity value na 20,000. Meron tayong N na 8 years naman compounded annually with interest rate na 5%. So, find the present value. Ibalik lang natin ito. Ito hanggang sa present value. So, mayroon ng formula dyan na shortcut for deferred. So, P is equal to A 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N divided by I, close bracket, and then i-multiply lang natin ng 1 plus 0.05 raised to 1 plus I raised to M. Yung M, ito po, ito M, pero hanggang, di ba yung ordinary annuity? So, ito yung magiging 0 sa ordinary annuity. So, yung N mo sa 10th year. Hindi 11th year So, ganyan. Dito yung base natin pagka pinunta dito. So, sabihin na natin P1. Yan. And then, si P1, pwede mong ipunta na sa P, sa 0 year. So, ito po yung direct na formula. So, ganun din. So, ito si P1. Itong term na to, ito si P1. So, pwede mong ordinary annuity, stop ka dito sa 10th year. And then, from 10th year, punta mo ulit sa present, which is sa 0. Okay? So, yan. Substitute natin. Yung A natin is 20,000 series ng payment. So, 1 minus 1 plus interest rate na 5%, 0.05, raised to negative N. So, negative, ayan, ilan yan? 8 divided by 0.05. Tapos, 1 plus 0.05 raised to, so, papunta, diba? So, magne-negative. So, negative 10 lang, hindi 11. Okay, so yung formula para natin dito, yung M, okay, magiging negative din. Yan. So, meron tayong 79,357.04. Ayan po yung sagot natin. Okay?